introducing yourself. When you want to come across, when anybody, any strange person wants to introduce, or you want to introduce with another person at your workplace, or it may be in railway stations, or it may be in at a post office, or in movie theaters, somewhere, there may be chance to come across with the strange person. So there is likely to introduce yourself about your workplace and what you are and all these things. Then how? It is a way of communication that we have to develop that communication, introducing yourself very effectively. And because that's a very important thing for teacher or the students also. So greetings first, when you want to introduce the people, what you have to do is you greet the person first, like how it is a good day, a formal, it is a very formal way that good day or good day, hello, good morning, good afternoon, hello, good evening. When it is before 12 o'clock, you have to say good afternoon. Between 12 to 3, you would better say good afternoon. Before 12, good morning. 12 to 3, good afternoon. After 3, good evening. And good night, usually it is a leave taking. We cannot say for greeting. And how are things with you? That is also one of the ways that you can express greetings. How are the things with you? How about you? That is also, you can greet the people. Hi, what's up? That is also, hey. That is also possible that you can greet with the people. And after greeting, then you have to introduce your name. What's your name? How can you introduce that? That is, my name is Ravi. You can also say, I'm Ravi. This is Ravi. For me, Ravi. This is Ravi speaking. When you are especially on phone, when you want to speak on phone to tell your name to other counter speaker, then you can say, this is Ravi speaking. Like that, you can tell your name. And another thing is responding. If he says anything, then how can you respond to other people? It's pleasure to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Nice to meet you. Glad to meet you. So these are all the ways that one, it depends upon the relation to whom you are talking to, that relation between your counter speaker and you, that the phrase should be selected comfortably. And another thing is, uh, after completion of that, you have to introduce the person about your location. That is where where you are staying, and um, where you were born and how you hailed there. These are all the things if you want to introduce to the other person. That is, I am from Vishakhapatnam. Like that, you can say, I am from Vishakhapatnam. I grew up in Vishakhapatnam and living in Vijayanagaram. I was born and grew up in Vishakhapatnam. I am living in Vishakhapatnam now. Such a way, you can introduce the place also to the to your counter speaker, because you wanted to introduce about you to the to your listener. Now again, what you have to introduce is age. Regarding your age, I'm 15. If you are teen, between 13 and 19, you can say that I'm teens. Like that, you can say. I'm also say that I'm also suggesting the phrase that I'm 15 years old. I'm early 15. When you don't want to tell the exact years of your age, you'd better say I'm 15 years. I'm early 15. You can say like that, exact years. But you cannot say I'm 15 years. You should mention I'm 15 years old. And about what are you now? What is your position now? Whether you are a student or an employer or an employee, and where you are working, and that is to be introduced because the listener should know about you. That's why after that, what you have to introduce, that I am a teacher. My position is a teacher. My work is that of teaching. I work for teaching. You have to introduce about your profession and to the listener, and also after that you have to tell more things about you to the listener, because he wants to know these things, and so that the relationship will be developed between you and the listener. And that's to tell about your qualifications. You can say, I am studying a degree, I am studying post graduation. And if you want to tell completed degrees, you can say, I did my degree in degree college, and I did my research in phonetics in Andhra University. I'm a postgraduate in English. Like that, you can introduce your qualifications to the listener, and you can also introduce your subjects you like, what subject you like, which you are interested in. That is, you can say that I like mathematics very much because it gives me thrills when solving the problems. My interesting subject is mathematics. I'm fond of doing maths. I love mathematics. Like that, you can introduce your like your subjects what you like. Then where you are studying or working. If you are a student, then you have to mention your school name or college name. If you are an employee, you have to mention your place of work. That is, I am studying in ZPH School Uttaravalli, or I am studying in Andhra University. I am working in a ZPH school. My school is ZPH School Uttaravalli. My workplace is ZPH School Uttaravalli. So such a way you have to mention your school name too and your workplace too to the listener, and while introducing about you. And my family. Regarding my family, I have mother, father and sister, and I have two brothers. And you can say that when you are the only person in your family member, that is siblings, when you have no brother and sister or siblings, then you can say, I have no siblings. I am a family of four. uh, then you can also say that I am one of four siblings. I am the only child to my parents. That such a way you can express that. You cannot say that I am have a family of four. That is not possible. That is what we have to observe. And you can also mention your hobbies, that is likes. That is, I'm interested in playing games during my leisure time. Whenever I get time, um, I spare time to listen music. I'm fond of listening music. I enjoy playing football too, and in my free time I play football. During my leisure time I would like to play football. Like that, you can mention about your hobbies. Now you have to conclude your introduction to the people. So this is all about me. Thank you so much. Such a way you have to introduce the persons in a skillful way, because speech is the fundamental thing in language learning, and we have to develop communication skills starts with the introduction only.